Hello. Today topic is electricity, class 10, chapter number 12. What is electricity? Electricity mainly is the flow of electric charges. Before discussion about electric charges, a very simple and common things in our daily life, that is water. Flowing water is very similar to the electricity. That means flowing of water and flowing of electric charges, both are the same thing. When water flows, flowing water, when electric charges flows, then we say it is a electric current passing through a conductor, because always electricity passing through a conductor. Conductor means it is a metal wire like aluminium, iron, silver, copper, gold, anything it could be. Now, electricity is the flow of electric charges. That electric charges is electron. When electron is flow through a conductor, that means there is a electricity passing through that conductor. It was a time nobody knows about the electron. That time everybody knows electricity, it is a flow of positive charge. That's why if we go through this circuit, here it is a circuit diagram of electricity. This is battery. Battery is the combination of two or more cells, then it is known as battery. So this is the positive terminal and this is negative terminal. Here we show the arrow from positive terminal towards the negative terminal. This positive terminal to negative terminal flowation of electric current, it is conventional electric current. But after the discovery of electrons, it has been shows that the charges electron flow from negative terminal towards the positive terminal, and this is the charge flow, and electricity is through a conductor wire. Here in this circuit we put a device K. This is switch. When switch is on, the bulb is start to glow because the circuit is complete right now, and that's why the bulb is glow here. If we switch off, then the bulb will not glow. That means the circuit is not complete. So continuous and closed path of electric current, that is the electric circuit. Again, continuous and closed path of electric current, it is known as the electric circuit. Now, so what is electric current? Electric current is the amount of charge flow. Electric current is the amount of charge flow in a particular area, in unit time. Here the unit time is 1 second. So that means definition of electric current, we can say the rate of flow of charge per unit time. The rate of flow of charge per unit time. Rate of flow of charges per unit time. If we denote electric current EC by capital I, charges flow q, and time small t, then I equal to q divided by t. This is the basic formula to find out electric current. Q divided by T. Q is the charge flow, T is the time period, T always in second, and we can find out the value of I. Rate of flow of charge per unit time. That's why I equal to Q by T. Once charges are there, so it must have a unit. That unit is coulomb, denoted by C, and the value of C is 6 into 10 to the power 8. It is the electron. 6 into 10 to the power 8 electrons flows, that is charges, and it is denoted by K. Now SI unit of electric current is ampere. It is named after scientist Ampere. What is ampere? When 1 coulomb of charge is flow in 1 second, 1 coulomb of charge, 1 C per second, 1 second. So we can write is 1 C, 1 coulomb charge, second inverse. Per second we can write it as a second inverse. This ampere is SI unit, and definition is 1 coulomb of charge flow in 1 second. Then it is known as 1 ampere current is passing through the conductor. Now to measure the electric current, there is a device. That device is known as ammeter. That device is known as ammeter. Here you can see that this is the ammeter. Very important thing, ammeter in a circuit always connected in series. In a circuit, ammeter always connected in series. Here the circuit, we can see that it is connected in a series. Series, what is series connection, parallel connection? After some discussion we will discuss about this also. Right now we have to just remember that the ammeter always in series, connected in a circuit, always in series. Now what makes electric charges to flow? If there is a electric current in a conductor, that means electric charges flow. What makes electric charges to flow? Again we compare with water. Why water is flow? It is because of that when the pressure of water upper end and lower end, that means when there is a difference of pressure of water from one end to another end, that means one is upper end and another is lower end, then you can see that water is flow. Same thing happened in electricity. So if there is anywhere at any condition, if we create any differences of pressure of electric charges, then electric charges flow from one end to another end, and it is always from negative end to positive end because of electrons flow. So this thing, potential differences, it is the cause for flow of electric charges. What is potential differences? In a circuit, here it is a complete circuit. In a circuit, when the differences of the charges between the 2 points is not same, then the charges from one point to another point will start to move. And this is happened due to the interaction of these cells or battery. When the chemical of the cells or battery start action, then in the two terminal, positive and negative terminal, there is a differences of positive and negative terminal, the differences of the pressure, and that's why the chemical inside the cell give the motion to the electrons to flow from negative terminal to positive terminal, and that's why electricity is start to flow from one terminal to another terminal. That means after connecting the cells in a circuit, the potential differences gives the motion to the charges, and then electric current start to flow. From this we can conclude the definition of potential differences is the potential differences between 2 points, suppose here and here, these are the 2 points. Potential differences between 2 points in a circuit where some current is the work done to move one unit of the charge from one point to another point. This is potential differences. Again, try to explain it. Potential differences between the 2 points in a circuit where is some current is there is the work done to move one unit of charge from one point to another point, and potential differences PD denoted by capital V. Then we can say potential differences, that is V equal to W divided by Q. Work done to move the charge from one point to another point. This is potential differences V. SI unit of potential differences is volt. 1 volt equal to 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. From this we can find out the definition of volt. It will be 1 volt is the potential differences between the 2 points in a current conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb of charges from one point to another point, known as 1 volt. Again, potential differences between the 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb of charges from one point to another point, it is known as 1 volt. To find out the volt, we use a devices known as voltmeter. Here, this is the voltmeter. In a circuit, ammeter always connected in series and voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Here, you can see that voltmeter is connected this way. This is the parallel way. Next class, when we will discuss about the series connection, parallel connection, Ohm's law, then it will be more clear what is series connection and what is parallel connection.